Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy, and today I will show you how to load one input box values to another input box. So here we see the sample HTML code I've written for this. We have the two input boxes and we are writing in jQuery. This is jQuery CDN link. So let's start. So I'm taking the first input ID. I pass in ID as the first. I'm taking this first ID of the first input box. So dollar is an ID, so ash first. So here I'm using the method called keyup. It's a jQuery method keyup. So this is a function. So right now I'm not passing any argument. So I'm passing e. So console.log e. So if I refresh it, if I type something on the first input box, so you see it is loading. Okay, in console if we check, it is in somewhere in data. So the d. So but I want to store the value inside the second input box. So instead of this console log, we just take an ID of second input box. So ash second. So I need to replace the value. So I'm taking this keyword, so it will refer the current method. So dot value. So semicolon. So if I refresh it, so it is true. So if I enter any capital letters, W and all, W with a capital letter, so it has to display W. So if I want to store a small letters, so that we have the keyword called two lowercase. So two lowercase. So if I type as W as capital, even it's storing as a small letter. So the reason is why we used a two lowercase method. So you can also use chaining. So you can use so many methods. You can pass regular expressions with a replace. You can join method is in jQuery. You can try all those methods. So thank you guys and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to Make Easy. Thank you.